From desert heat to Arctic ice, from the rockiest mountains to the deepest mines, Volvo products are made to withstand the toughest operational conditions on Earth, and so are the parts they are made of. However, there may come a time when these products become worn out and need replacing. Instead of buying a new genuine Volvo part or spending time and money on repairs, Volvo Reman parts may be a better solution, both for business and the environment. It all starts with one of these, a core, the worn-out part which is the raw material of the remanufacturing process. Here, at one of our core hubs, cores from, for example, engines, gearboxes, diesel particulate filters, and a variety of other parts are returned by the dealers. The cores are identified and thoroughly inspected to ensure that they meet the core quality criteria before being sent to a remanufacturing plant. Cores not fulfilling our requirements are discarded and the raw materials recycled. At the plant, the cores are completely disassembled in order to determine the condition of their components. The components from the core are thoroughly cleaned and freed from rust and corrosion by a bake or chemical cleaning process before they are inspected. Components fulfilling the criteria are restored to a technically new condition. Wear components and those not fulfilling the criteria are replaced with new parts. All components are organized to correspond to the bill of material, which contains all design changes to ensure that what is remanufactured always fulfills our latest technical specifications. After all components are reassembled, the remanufacturing process is almost complete, but not without careful testing to verify the product performance. For example, engines have to pass a test cycle, which simulates the toughest operating conditions while measuring various performance parameters. Finally, the engine is painted, giving it the same finish as a new part. Through the remanufacturing process, return cores have now been given a new life as Volvo Reman parts. The industrial process of remanufacturing is also minimizing the impact on the environment compared to new manufacturing by reusing up to 85% of the core. And what's more, it also saves up to 80% of the energy it takes to manufacture a new part. In all aspects, the remanufactured parts are technically new and have the same quality, performance, and availability as a new part. All this together means that Volvo Reman parts are offered with the same warranty conditions as our new genuine Volvo parts. And on top of everything, at an attractive price. By breathing new life into worn-out parts, we make sure that our products can keep withstanding the toughest operational conditions on Earth and contribute to more sustainable transport solutions.